Hello Pre-Calc PC, this is day 9 number 54 and the question is true or false? The graph of f of x equals 1 over x has no horizontal tangents. Justify your answer. So this is kind of a abstract question here. We know 1 over x is our reciprocal function, which looks like this. Okay, and I know that it's certainly, this portion of my graph is certainly approaching horizontal. But we don't, so what we're going to figure out is, does it actually ever get completely horizontal? So how can we do that? Well, if we have a horizontal tangent, this means the slope is 0. So basically, we want to see if the slope of this can ever actually become 0. And we'll use that, or we'll do that by finding the derivative and using the derivative. Okay, because again, the derivative is the slope. So what I have to do to this first, in order to use power rule, I'm going to rewrite it as x to the negative 1 power. All right, that's just 1 over x. Notice I haven't taken the derivative yet. This is just me rewriting the function so I can actually take the derivative of it. You could use quotient rule too, but I would just rather do this and use power rule. So now I'll go ahead and I'll find the derivative by bringing my exponent forward, negative 1x to the negative 2. And just normally, I don't make you rewrite this, but I'm going to do it this time. That's the same as this. So we want to see if this can have a slope of 0. So if I plug in 0 here, I want you to think to yourself, is this ever possible? Can you ever make this become 0? And the answer is no, because if you were to do my favorite thing, which is cross multiplying, you're going to get a 0 equals negative 1, and that's obviously not possible. So this is actually true. The graph of 1 over x, f of x equals 1 over x, does not have any horizontal tangents. It has a bunch of tangents that certainly approach horizontal, but never are going to have a slope of 0, because 0 can never be equal to negative 1. All right. Again, our slope, our derivative, can never be equal to 0. That's impossible. This is a no solution situation. So it is true that our graph of 1 over x can never have a horizontal tangent. All right. There you go. Have a great day.